Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We have a beautiful blender line. You know I love blenders. This is Twinkle by April Rosenthal. Look, you got like a patriotic, you got Christmassy, and then you just have fun whimsy. And then you have Halloween. And then all the colors in between. Isn't that great? I'm so excited about it. Okay, you know we love a good blender, guys. Okay, then we have a line here called Ode to Poppies. So, of course, I think of Wizard of Oz with the scene in the poppy fields. Love that. It's a little bit of a traditional floral print. It's like a traditional meets the front room style for us. I like it. Okay, we're gonna zoom up here, right here. Creativity Glows. Like this. This is by oh my gosh, I can't say the word today, guys. It's Moda. Just run with it. Okay, and then another blender line because we were short on them, clearly. This is Sugar by Ruby Star Society, and it's Sarah Watts. Okay, the words are hard today, guys. I'm really sorry. Look how great that is, and Ruby Star is so nice. The fabric is so nice to work with. It's like luxurious. Okay, and then we're gonna go to Fig Tree and Company and look at Stitch. This is their new line, Stitched. So it's got all those beautiful colors they're known for. It goes all the way over here. Lots and lots of bolts, friends. Lots and lots of bolts. Beautiful persimmon and that green I love, and their wonderful taupes and yellows and aquas that they're known for. It's beautiful. Okay, then we did want to let you guys know that our haystacks and corn stalks, if you don't know what that is, we will be posting videos on those. They will now be available in shop. Okay, so stay tuned for our video of what a haystack and a corn stalk, and then the new one, which I cannot reveal the name of yet, what they are for and what you can do with them. But those are available in shop. We will have signature ones that are only available on our show still as well. So you should watch our Sunday show. We have a few pre-cuts for you. Now we have Starlight Gatherings by Primitive Gatherings. We actually got this whole line in like January. Just now got the pre-cuts of it. You know, shipping delays, right? Then we have the Ode to Poppies, and then Celestial. We have the Zen Chic pre-cuts, the Charms and Fat Quarter Bundles. I feel like that's right? Okay. Is that all the things? That's all the things, guys. Okay, so this Sunday, the Fab Stash show is Mama Bear and I, so it'll be a little bit of a bigger show, and we will unveil the next in the series, in the farm series of Haystack Cornstalk. So watch at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Man, words are hard today, guys. I'm really sorry. But also stay tuned for our videos on what haystacks and cornstalks are, why you should love them, and how to use them.